Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Qasim says, all of my dreams are very clear, as if they were actually happening in real life. But then I would wake up and realize that it was all just a beautiful dream. Whenever I would see a dream with Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then I wish I could see dreams like that all the time. The colors which I have seen in dreams, I have never seen them in real life. I would rate it 10 out of 10. And Shaitan can never imitate the grandeur and majesty of Allah, nor the image of His messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah the Almighty is the one who often appears in my dreams. I have never seen Allah with my eyes in my dreams. I just feel that Allah is on Arsh al-Azim, and that I would hear His voice from behind a veil. The voice would sometimes descend from beyond the sky, or I would see an incredibly unbelievable nur, and sometimes a magnificent voice would come from the incredible nur. Whenever I see the nur of Allah, my eyes get frozen. It is just impossible to describe it. I do not mean to say that this nur is Allah, but rather, the nur of Allah is a magnificent version of nur which Allah created. Allah is far beyond everything to be classified as a nur, and He is the creator of nur. And even the voice of Allah is also very unbelievable. It's filled with so much mercy and purity that is far beyond describable in words. And Allah's voice in my dreams is far exalted beyond any human being. And the voice has no weakness of running out of breath while talking. In every dream, I feel that Allah is nearer to me than the front part of my brain and my jugular vein. Allah has never ever talked to me loudly, nor has He ever raised His voice in anger or talked to me in an angry way. Allah always talks to me very softly and peacefully, even though I make countless sins every day. Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam never ever force me to follow their teachings, and that's why I love Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam more than everything. Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught to me in Urdu language, and that is my main language. I testify that there is no God except Allah, and that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is His final prophet and messenger, and that I am just another person in the ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that I witness that Allah's curse is upon the liar.